Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Fluent English Academy. I'm really happy you are here today and learning English with me step by step. Today's lesson is very important for speaking English naturally and correctly. In this lesson, we are going to learn object pronouns. If you are new to this channel, welcome. You can find many previous grammar lessons and beginner courses in the earlier videos on this channel. I strongly recommend watching them to build a strong base in English. Before we begin the lesson, please support this channel by liking the video and subscribing. Your support helps us continue making free English lessons for learners around the world. Now let's begin our lesson slowly and clearly. First, let's understand what object pronouns are. Object pronouns are words that replace nouns that receive the action of the verb. In simple words, object pronouns are used instead of objects in a sentence. The object pronouns in English are me, you, him, her, it, us, them. These words replace object nouns to avoid repetition and make sentences sound natural. Let's start with a very simple example. I see Sarah. Now let's replace Sarah with an object pronoun. I see her. In this sentence, her is the object pronoun. It receives the action of the verb see. Now let's compare subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns do the action. Object pronouns receive the action. For example, she likes the movie. She likes it. In the first sentence, she is the subject. In the second sentence, it is the object pronoun. Now let's look at sentence structure. The basic structure with object pronoun is subject plus verb plus object pronoun. For example, I like him. She loves me. They invited us. We helped them. He called her. Please pause and repeat these sentences out loud. Now let's look at more real-life examples. Can you help me? I will call you later. She doesn't understand him. We are waiting for her. They saw us at the park. I found it on the table. He thanked them for their help. These sentences are very common in daily English conversations. If this lesson is helpful so far, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. Now let's talk about object pronouns after prepositions. After a preposition, we always use an object pronoun, not a subject pronoun. For example, this gift is for you. She is talking to him. They are listening to her. The teacher is proud of us. I can't live without it. He sat next to me. She learned English with them. Please pause and repeat these sentences slowly. Now let's practice replacing nouns with object pronouns. I know John. I know him. She invited Anna and Tom. She invited them. We love this song. We love it. He helped my sister. He helped her. They called my friends and me. They called us. Replacing nouns with object pronouns makes your English smoother and more natural. Now let's look at object pronouns in longer sentences. I met Sarah yesterday and I told her the good news. He bought a new phone and showed it to me. They needed help, so we helped them. She saw the teacher and spoke to him after class. We finished the project and sent it to our manager. Please take a moment to pause and repeat these sentences aloud. If you are new to this channel, remember you can go back and watch earlier grammar lessons to review basic topics and improve faster. Now let's review what we learned today. Object pronouns replace object nouns. Object pronouns receive the action of the verb. Object pronouns come after verbs and prepositions. Using object pronouns makes English more natural and fluent. You are doing a great job. Learning grammar takes time, and your effort really matters. Before we finish, please support this channel by liking the video and subscribing. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more English learners. Thank you very much for learning English with me today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and never stop learning. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and goodbye.